Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is bleak. It is pronounced bleak and is spelt B-L-E-A-K. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Bleak is an adjective that is used to describe an area of land lacking vegetation and exposed to the elements. It can also mean of a situation or future prospect, something which is not hopeful or encouraging, and therefore unlikely to have a favourable outcome. For example, you could say, the landscape was bleak and barren after the wildfire, or the future looked bleak for the team after they lost the championship game. The word bleak comes from an Old Norse word meaning pale or white. In the classic story of The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, the land of Narnia is described as bleak and cold during the reign of the White Witch. The sun never shines, and the children discover a world frozen in an eternal winter. Synonyms for bleak include bare, desolate, dreary, grim, and gloomy. Antonyms for bleak include cheerful, bright, hopeful, and promising. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, bleak. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.